about 8-9 years of work ex, and this counts as work ex also. And I'm a writer, so I'll probably be writing somewhere in some creative agency, maybe heading projects. Comedy बहुत मुश्किल है स्क्रीन पे करना. I feel for it to land. मतलब मैंने किए हैं कुछ रोल्स जहाँ I don't think कॉमेडी उतनी लैंड हुई है, because if it's too caricaturish. और मेरे ना हर वर्ड में, हिंदी वर्ड में इतना पंजाबी है ना. उस दिन ही I think दिव्येंदु I was pointing out to me, मैंने कहा मुझे ना इस चीज़ का बड़ा शौक है. एक शौक क्या होता है, शौक होता है. तो कुछ एक बात बोलते हैं कि व्यर्थ ही बोलते हो आप, मतलब आप देखेंगे कि दिन में आप जितनी बातें बोलते हो आप सोचेंगे ना, आई एम पैराफ्रेजिंग, आप सोचेंगे कि नहीं बोलते तो ठीक था.
Hello everyone, this is Aina and welcome to Instant Bollywood. आज का interview is very special because we are sitting in Uttarakhand with none other than Kusha Kapila.
Hello.
So nice to have you.
Thank you so much. Are you enjoying yourself here?
I am. Thank you कि आप लोग ये show कर रहे हो इसलिए हमें मौका मिला है.
Yes, बहुत ही से majestic view है हिमालयास का.
बहुत ही
उनमें से एक peak नंदा देवी है.
हाँ.
It's quite beautiful.
It's my lucky day because I'm having my evening tea with Kusha.
Yes, and it's a very clear view of the
It's a very clear view. So, Kusha, I have to start off by saying that I personally, feel so good that you've grown so much over the years because I used to follow you since you were making those South Delhi videos, and now to see you having two trailer launches in one day, I think it's a huge progress. But also I want to ask you, yesterday when we were talking, you said that, this entire process of filmmaking really interests you and intrigues you. It's probably a profession which you didn't know you would fall in love with so much.
Yes.
Besides content creation, of course. Did you ever feel, or how do you make peace with the fact that all this can be temporary? Because it's a very unpredictable industry.
Yeah.
You don't know when your next project is coming and how you're going to deal with it. How do you make peace with the fleetingness of this industry?
I also feel like I'm at a point where I'm not complacent, but like I'm in a comfortable position. I feel like work-wise, and the fact that I've done some interesting projects. So like a break, a short break isn't so bad because I can sustain myself. I think this needs to be said again and again from a lot of creative professionals who've been working a while.
Right.
But at the same time, there is no complacency in the sense that I've done everything, I know everything. ऐसा तो है ही नहीं. I feel like as a creator also, because the platform is constantly changing, you have to update yourself. I feel like every 3 months now.
True.
So there's enough and more work to do. There's enough and more to learn. If you're not doing enough, you can go and learn something.
Yeah.
You can understand a few things. You can interact with people who probably have a better hold on things. पर अगर बिल्कुल ही हम ground ऐसे बिल्कुल ही हम zero पे आ गए, like if that's the hypothetical situation, then I have about 8-9 years of work ex, and this counts as work ex also. And I'm a writer, so I'll probably be writing somewhere in some creative agency, maybe heading projects, producing.
Yeah. So you don't mind being behind the camera also?
No, I do not mind. I feel like I've learned and known enough to know what formats are, to know what templates are, what works, what doesn't work.
Yeah.
How to maybe think of a cool caption, cool campaign.
Yeah.
Why am I saying caption? Like I can build campaigns from ground up. I do that for myself, right?
Exactly.
So I'm actually not scared about that. मैं कुछ ना कुछ तो कर ही लूँगी. मैंने जॉब्स में भी कुछ ना कुछ करके इधर आई हूँ तो वो भी कर लूँगी. Like I started as a fashion forecaster.
Oh.
Then I went and did copywriting for 4 months. I did not like it because it was
constantly copies.
No, I was working for like a for like a bathroom fittings brand.
Okay.
So I didn't enjoy it as much.
Not your type.
Yeah. And मतलब मैं एक बैंक के लिए काम कर रही थी. And it was उसमें भी ना like copywriting में भी दो होता है कि एक तो आप ads के लिए लिख रहे हैं, एक आप internal agency communication के लिए लिख रहे हैं, तो वो I didn't enjoy at all. Then I did content management for an e-commerce website for some time. I was truly like, I won't say lost, but I didn't have enough clarity.
Right.
And I was like, I don't want to stop working because the moment I'm not doing anything, I will not know what to do.
Right.
And then after that, I landed the job, which was at Times Internet, where I started making videos. But there also I went in as a writer.
And then it just happened.
It just happened. You know, have you been a writer at any point in your career?
No, I can't write.
You can't write. You've always been
a video person.
So I feel like the class of writers and entertainers before you were actually writers, and then they said कि अब सब लोग पढ़ नहीं रहे हैं, अब सब लोग देख रहे हैं. तो अगर आप देखेंगे BuzzFeed में, आईडिवा में, हर जगह जो सारे writers थे वो कैमरा के आगे आ गए थे. So that's the transition that we sort of saw. बहुत देखा है यार हमने, cassette से CD, इससे ये.
No, but that's what I'm saying, that when I see this path, like you said, you've done everything, and especially how the last 5-6 years, correct me if I'm wrong, have been so drastically, you know, different for you because your life changed in terms of your career. I'm sure it's very overwhelming for every person, but did it ever get to your head?
No, it can't, because it didn't happen at the age of 18. It happened at the age of like 29 when I was a fully grown adult. And I was paying taxes and I have my PPF account open. So I wasn't like I wasn't a noob. I knew of worldly affairs. I was living by myself. I was responsible for my own expenses. It's not like that suddenly one day I decided to start working. I was already working and I had a stable life, and I just happened to change careers completely. So there is that feeling of being overwhelmed, but there's this excitement, the feeling of being alive. The feeling that अरे यार
something to look forward to.
क्या cool काम करने को मिल रहा है, क्या cool लोगों से मिल रही हूँ मैं. There is, and I genuinely believe I only started because, like, you know, you've made inroads to do some fun stuff. You've I get to do this show called Swipe Right, which is like a non-fiction show where I'm driving celebrities around and asking dating questions. I've gotten to do such cool formats and such cool work, and then Sukhi has happened this year, which has just been, I feel like I needed that kind of like a small win in my life, you know, for me to know that if I really want to do this. So, of course, there's this feeling of being overwhelmed, but thankfully there is a lot to look forward to and work on. So that's amazing.
That keeps one alive and super excited.
Ekdam best feeling है.
You know, whenever I speak to actors, बहुत ही popular opinion है that comedy is actually one of the most difficult genres to play and to act and to make people laugh is not easy as it looks. And it comes so naturally to you, Kusha, because even जब हम off camera या informally बात करते हैं, you are so funny that it will at least get a smile on 10 people's face. I want to understand that if comedy comes naturally to you, then for an actor like you, what emotion gets difficult to play? Is it the emotional scenes?
नहीं, comedy तो I think comedy बहुत मुश्किल है screen पे करना. I feel for it to land. मतलब मैंने किए हैं कुछ roles जहाँ I don't think comedy उतनी land हुई है. Because if it's too caricaturish, if the writing is weak, if you're only maybe relying on slapstick or exaggeration, whereas we've made strides in comedy, we've made sort of like our audience has evolved, तो वो land नहीं करता है. तो I feel screen पे भी comedy दिखाने के लिए
it's different and time लगता है. I think the writing has to be impeccable. Writing अच्छी है ना, they'll always aid you to do fun stuff, to do an emotional scene or everything. Like in Sukhi, I got to do like one emotional scene, and the writing was so good, and like our director Sonal's vision was so good that we were able to it was able to land. At the end of the day, it's about the emotion landing for people to really understand that you're feeling this. वो आना चाहिए. वरना मैं तो मतलब तो कैमरा में तो लगातार मतलब बोल सकती हूँ, कुछ भी improv कर सकती हूँ. And I was really lucky that Sukhi, my director, let me improv on a lot of scenes. So that, and she kept some of the improvs, which I was very happy about. So I feel like if the writing is good, तो कोई भी emotion आप कर सकते हैं. Yeah, but I think improv is your USP. Like बहुत ही like वो land होता है हमेशा जब भी
बहुत मजा आता है.
Organically improv होता है. I'm going to jump into a quick rapid fire. ठीक है? So best thing you've discovered about Uttarakhand?
कि यहाँ पे इतना easily leopards spot हो सकते हैं. I did not know. Like everyone is telling me कि they've had a leopard cross in front of their car and they crossed and sat on the side of the road near the parapet, and I'm like क्या बोल रहे हो आप, ये कैसे हो सकता है? तो मैं पीछे 3 दिन से गाड़ी लेके घूम रही हूँ कि leopard दिख जाओ.
That day you kept a story of the leopard and I'm like guys, Kusha को leopard दिखा.
मुझे नहीं दिखा actually, वो हमारे costume में हरिता नायर, उनको दिखा है. पर कब दिखेगा यार leopard?
The day before you leave.
I know. और पर मुझे अभी तक सिर्फ एक जंगली खरगोश दिखा है. So I don't think that really counts as anything I've discovered.
Okay. What is something similar to you as Kusha and your character Kalki?
Kalki is very competitive, and I am working on that intensely. Okay, and but I think Kalki is more competitive with like people around her. I am more competitive. Like अगर मुझे जैसे आपको छोटा सा एग्जांपल दे दिया, I know it's rapid fire.
No, it's fine.
Like I was in Germany recently और मैं किसी तो एक अक्टूबर फेस्ट में ना मेला सा लगा होता है, तो वहाँ पे अलग अलग स्टॉल्स होते हैं, तो एक ना बॉय एंड एरो का स्टॉल था. तो ना मुझे ना आ नहीं रहा था वो करना, और मुझे ना इंक्रीजिंगली गुस्सा आ रहा था कि मुझे आ क्यों नहीं रहा है. तो ना तीर कमान में ना ऐसे उन्होंने कमान छोड़ना, तीर छोड़ना होता है, मैं कमान छोड़ रही थी. तो उन्होंने एक बार जो मुझे इंस्ट्रक्ट कर रहे थे ना, वो कहते कि ना लीव इट, समथिंग ही सेड कि लीव इट, और मुझे लगा कि मुझे अभी छोड़ने को कह रहे हैं, पर वो उनकी आँख के ऐसे करके निकला और मुझे लगा लाइक भाग जाओ यहाँ से जस्ट. तो ना मैं 2 घंटे यही सोचती रही कि मैं वो कर नहीं पाई यार, मैं वापस जाके मैं एक बार सीख के आती हूँ कि बो एंड एरो चलाते कैसे.
That's lovely in a way. It's good for you.
But it also like for 2 hours I didn't enjoy in Oktoberfest because I was thinking about this. So I am weirdly competitive with myself. So yeah.
Okay. If Kusha gets a lot of money, now that a lot is defined in your thing, what is the first thing she's going to do or buy?
What's the first thing I'm going to buy if I get a lot of money? क्या खरीदना है मुझे, मतलब क्या मैं हूँ I don't like to buy a lot of things, you know.
Really?
I'm not a hoarder at all. And I have worked on very hard on not hoarding. But ऐसा क्या है, घर ही लूंगी यार किसी सुंदर उत्तराखंड में एक बड़ी सी लैंड लेके वहाँ पे अपना घर बनाऊंगी यार.
Always good to
मुझे घर बनाना बहुत अच्छा लगता है, ऐसे इंटीरियर्स करना और सब.
I know you look beautiful.
या आपको कोई घर अच्छा लगे, घर देखे मुझे दे देना.
Done. Okay. What is the most Delhi thing about you?
The Delhi thing, यार
Too much यार, वो तो मुंबई वाले हो.
नहीं, हमारा बोलते हैं
दिल्ली वाले
क्या यार, चलना बहना, all of that. Just the way our slangs, my slangs and the way I say. और मेरे ना हर वर्ड में, हिंदी वर्ड में इतना पंजाबी है ना. उस दिन ही आई थिंक दिव्येंदु आई वाज पॉइंटिंग आउट टू मी, मैंने कहा मुझे ना इस चीज़ का बड़ा शौक है. एक शौक क्या होता है, शौक होता है ये कहाँ से
even this a lot of कर दियो ये कर लियो.
क्या है यार, पता हमको ना हिंदी आती है ढंग से, ना मुझे पंजाबी आती है ढंग से. क्या ही आता है
मिक्स करके कुशा's language.
हाँ वही है.
Your spirit animal.
My spirit animal has to be a cat.
A cat.
Obviously. वही होता है ना, स्पिरिट एनिमल. एनिमल बताना होता है कि जो इंसान आपको एनिमल जैसा लगता है उनका नाम लेना होता है.
नहीं, वो भी ले सकते हो अगर आपको लेना है. You definitely can take that.
Cat, of course. I have played Billy Masi. So I'm a little meow. I have a little meow in me.
Yeah. A superstition that people that don't know that you believe in.
A super odd even numbers. Yeah, I do nothing odd in my life. Yeah. Because I'm a number 2. So I'm a little crazy.
So I was talking to Barkha Singh and she's like, I have a OCD that I need to see even numbers. तो मैं AC का remote भी जब करती हूँ ना तो 26 पे रखूँगी या मैं 22
I don't know what's that. It's like in my head it was like even numbers are good, odd numbers are evil. But वो जा रहा है धीरे. I'm kind of warming up to number 5 and number 9.
Yeah. I have something for round numbers. 5, 10, 15.
You like them?
Yeah, I like them. Okay. If you had to switch your character with one of the characters in the show, temporarily for a day, किसके साथ करोगे?
किसके कैरेक्टर के साथ, मतलब मैं कर नहीं पाऊंगी, पर हमारी एक एक्टर है अन्नपूर्णा जो सुषमा का रोल कर रही है. वो इतनी कमाल के एक्टर है. अभी रिसेंटली रेलवे मैन में भी थी वो, नेटफ्लिक्स में है. और सनफ्लावर में भी थी, जो हॉटस्टार में नहीं है ना, Z5 पे है. तो अन्नपूर्णा है उनका नाम. बहुत कमाल के एक्टर है यार. मतलब मैं उनका कैरेक्टर कर नहीं पाऊंगी क्योंकि उन्होंने ना एक्चुअली पहाड़ी एक्सेंट पकड़ा है यहाँ का. उन्होंने नैनीताल का जो एक्सेंट है वो पकड़ा है, जो बहुत अच्छे से करती हैं. मैं जैसे मैं बोलने की कोशिश करती हूँ तो मैं गुजराती साउंड करती हूँ. भाई सब कर देंगे ना, अब भाई सब बोल देंगे ना. कितना गंदा किया मैं नहीं कर सकती वो. शी इज जस्ट ब्रिलियंट एट एक्सेंट्स.
Okay, 3 things that would impress you.
Conversation. If you can engage me, you have me.
Really?
Yeah, most people can't engage me. Like I'm mostly disassociating when I'm talking to people. So if you can engage me with conversation, or you're like giving me some like gyan,
Yeah.
which is actually facts, then amazing.
You will enjoy it.
Oh, I will.
Yeah. What if someone gives you gup?
नहीं मतलब
नहीं.
वो उतना interesting नहीं है.
हाँ.
If you can engage me, like I'm like sitting. Acha, really? Nah. Then I feel like, and you know, the more you meet actors and creative people, the more you realize they have such fantastic stories.
They do.
And while their stories might not be great, the way they tell a story is what's interesting. So that's one thing I'm learning, to have great stories and remember them. So when I'm sitting with somebody, I have a fun story to tell.
No, but that actually makes me like my job also.
Yes.
When there is a good, interesting story, एक vibe आ जाती है ना, then you can like.
Yes, एक anecdote हो तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है. Second thing that impresses me is if you like the kind of music I like. That is an instant. Oh, you're my wife. Third, I feel like Momo really impresses me. Any kind of Momo from anywhere.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah,
like,
Momo girl.
You don't have to always get impressed by people, right?
Yeah.
Food is doing so much. I mean, why aren't they getting the credit? Yeah. They do so much, and they just exist to get eaten.
Yeah.
And then get shat.
A skill you thank God for that you have.
Skin I don't have. Skin I'm not. Skin मेरा कुछ है, कुछ गलत चल रहा है मेरा भगवान के साथ.
I relate to
Puberty पे नहीं आए, वैसे 30-31 साल की उम्र में ये सब पता नहीं.
मेरे साथ तो धोखा हुआ है. मुझे बोला गया कि तुम्हारे प्यूबर्टी के बाद चला जाएगा. मैं 25 की हो गई हूँ, अभी तक नहीं.
ये धोखा ही मुझे फील हो रहा है रोज. तो स्किन आई डोंट थैंक गॉड फॉर. स्किल. व्हाट इज स्किल आई थैंक गॉड फॉर?
कोई टैलेंट जो आपको अपने बारे में इतनी पसंद है ना कि भगवान ने दे दिया मुझे.
बहुत बात कर सकती हूँ. मैं अभी थक गई हूँ अपने आप से इतनी बात. मेरा मुंह इतना चलता है. जैसे मैं उस दिन मेरे शहनाज ने कहा था ओशो सुनने को. और ओशो कुछ एक बात बोलते हैं कि व्यर्थ ही बोलते हो आप. मतलब आप देखेंगे कि दिन में आप जितनी बातें बोलते हो, आप सोचेंगे ना, आई एम पैराफ्रेजिंग, आप सोचेंगे कि नहीं बोलते तो ठीक था. पर मैं सब बात बोलती हूँ. मैं चुप ही नहीं रह पाती. ये एक बहुत बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है. मेरे अंदर जितने भी थॉट्स हैं वो सिर्फ यहाँ पर कंठ में रहते हैं और मुख पे आ जाते हैं.
But that's a good thing.
No, I
ऐसा
don't
नहीं
think
कि
so.
लोग बोर हो रहे, लोग उससे इंटरटेन होते हैं. तो it's never like अरे you talk.
It's a good thing if you are Heath in an Imtiaz Ali film. It's not a good thing when people are sitting there like shut up, make it stop. I think another thing I can thank God for, which is just inherent in me, I can make people feel comfortable. Like if I'm sitting in a batch of like 5-10 people and if there's an awkward silence, I can feel it. I can feel it. Even if it doesn't need to be filled, even if it's saying that it's okay, let it be awkward. I can make it either even more awkward so it becomes funny, or I can just make it stop.
I think we all thank God for that.
These are just two skills. These are just two skills I have.
Yeah. Absolutely. Okay. Lastly, a rumor you would like to spread about yourself.
मेरे को अपने बारे में कोई रूमर नहीं चाहिए. रूमर शब्द से ही मुझे बेहद नफरत है. मैं जिंदगी में इस साल से रूमर से उभरने की कोशिश की है, तो मुझे रूमर से कोई मतलब नहीं है. बेकार चीज है ये तो.
Okay.
और कोई किसी के बारे में ना रूमर फैलाए, ना कोई अपने बारे में कोई रूमर फैलाए.
Okay. Lastly, the most unnecessary thing you feel about people that irks you. मतलब क्यों कर रहे हो ये?
I think when people us in a conversation and they feel the need to like prove themselves, तो वो अपने बारे में बहुत
show off करते हैं,
बढ़ा के, which also comes from a place of low self-esteem. We've all been there. तो जब कोई अपने बारे में इतनी बात करता है और and you're not listening, you're talking, वो मुझे बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है. कि अरे यार ठीक है, कर लिया तुमने, अब क्या करें, तुम हो महान, अब क्या करें इस बात का, हो तुम, अब मतलब वो महान हो, कोई महान है, तो अब क्या हम बैठ के यही बोलते रहे कि आप महान हैं आप महान हो गया भाई, आगे बढ़ो.
बट कुछ लोगों को एक्चुअली बहुत लोग मिलते हैं.
हाँ, तो शीशे के सामने करिए ना, इसके लिए आपको ऑडियंस नहीं चाहिए.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, man. If I'm sitting with you, I would like to know where are you from, where were you born. Like you're saying you're Gujarati, but you're lying. You're a Punjabi.
No.
It shows on your face.
I am a कुछ जो
You look like you're from Civil Lines in Delhi.
I will go to that place and like figure
And find out your family.
and find out my asli family.
I will find it for you.
What if all this is a conspiracy? What if my life was a lie?
All of women's lives are lies.
Dark हो गया ये तो।
बहुत dark हो गया.
But I have to say thank you so much. It was
Thank
a lovely
you.
conversation.
It's always lovely talking to you. I feel like you're one of those people who's not looking for a headline. You genuinely want to talk.
Yeah, I do.
And your interviews are quite wholesome. I like that.
Thank you so much. Means a lot. And also like I said, I like my job when I listen to stories. So thank you for sharing yours.
Thank you.
And we'll see you super soon in Mumbai for another show. वहाँ पे भी हमें लेके आना.
For sure. मेरा बस चलिए मैं आपको हर जगह लेकर आ जाऊँ.
Done. We'll do that.
Done.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. It's
So
always
nice.
so nice. If you like this video, then like this video actually, and share this video and subscribe to Aina. क्योंकि ये लड़की मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगती है.
Oh.
ये अब जहाँ भी काम करेगी, इंस्टेंट बॉलीवुड में करेगी, कहीं और जाएगी, कहीं और जाएगी, आप उस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें. I only believe in supporting women.
That is so sweet.